Where is the best place to get answers to questions? On Quora.com. Do tarot readings really work? Astrology is a means rather to an end. The same dictum applies to tarot. It's a highly personalized and partial faculty. It may not work with a do-it-yourself or surface level mindset. Is this a master's in natural phenomena, astrology, English language, spirituality, and human behavior? Okay, that's a lot. Bro got a master's in everything. For real, fancy schmancy. That was a mouthful. Maybe he's very nice. Here's the thing. Did this answer actually answer the question? I guess the implied answer here is yes. It may not work with a do-it-yourself or surface level mindset. He's fully gone around the question, and he's likened it to astrology, but without giving any specific information about astrology. This is the thing that I really dislike. If it didn't work, is because you fucked it up. And let's see if Nitin can provide some more information. I've witnessed over 450 readings in the past. I know this one is one of many tools available to humanity, capital H. Cannot comment about tarot as I had no experience with it. Okay, well, a little weird for you to answer this question about specifically tarot, but like, how did it help people? And also, does it work? Like, you didn't really answer the question directly. Does it work? And then the last answer, yes. Here we go. Finally, Deepa is here to give us a real answer. Yes, I am a tarot card reader. Experience. And almost all my clients report positively after a session. In fact, they report they got healed after readings. What does that mean, dog? Healed of what? Healed of physical ailment? Healed of like bad vibes? Healed of what? Like, you would imagine that if tarot is a tool for divination, that there's also bad answers. So everybody you've done a reading for is thrilled. Okay, who is Sage AI Bot? When did this happen? How does a tarot card reading really work? And are the readings true? Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be good shit. Are you guys ready for whatever the AI thinks is going on? Tarot card readings are a form of divination. Accurate. That uses a deck of cards to help a person gain insight into their past, present, and future. That's true. The cards are said to be able to reveal patterns and energies that may be impacting a person's life. The way a tarot card reading works is that a person known as the seeker will shuffle the cards and lay them out in a specific pattern called a spread. Okay, that's true. The reader will interpret the cards based on their meanings and position. The truth of a tarot card reading is subjective, as the cards can be interpreted in many ways. That's true. Some people believe the cards are a tool to tap into a person's subconscious, while others believe that the cards can reveal hidden truths and energies. Okay, sure, Janet. Whether or not the tarot reading is true depends on the person receiving it and their belief in the process. It's important to keep in mind that tarot card readings are not a substitute for professional advice and should be used to make important decisions. I wonder why that's been included. It's also important to find a reputable and experienced tarot reader, as a bad reader can give inaccurate and misleading readings. So people can be wrong. According to this AI bot, people can be wrong. And also you can do a bad job participating. Okay. I think SageBot did a good job informationally, but like, I'm really interested in what SageBot thinks energies means. What are the energies, SageBot? All right, let's see what Rick has to say. Doing Reiki at cocktail parties since 2003. I'm sorry, Ricky, your qualifications are what? Oh, if you've ever seen those bitches on TikTok who do the plucking, that's Reiki. There you go. I explained it. If you've ever seen one of the, I want to hear about it. If you encountered one of the plucking ladies on TikTok, how did that make you feel? Did you like it? Do you watch them? I want to know about it. We live in an intelligent and loving universe. All right, Janet. It speaks to us all the time through coincidence and synchronicity. Using tarot cards is one way to signal the universe that you are ready and willing to accept its information. It's the same openness that allows other forms of divination to work. Tea leaves, runes, the I Ching, throwing bones, etc., etc. So it's the universe I'm talking to specifically. Got it. When the cards are shuffled and are random, I accept your air quotes around random. They will not come out that way. Okay. Instead, just the right cards will come out and in the right order, in direct proportion to your expectations of revealing the true and meaningful information. Okay. All right. So Rick says, if it doesn't work, you fucked up. You didn't open your, your brain colander wide enough. Universe needs to stop telling me I'm going to be single forever if I keep playing League. Well, Bucky, I think if you keep playing League, there might be other forces pushing you towards singleness that are not the universe. All made of star stuff. Does that mean I'm talking to the universe right now? Maybe. Get Germa out of here. What about chakras? He hasn't mentioned chakras yet, but Kyoto, I do believe that Rick Dawson thinks that your chakras need to be opened to accept the universe vibes. If you expect the cards to work, they will. So if you think they're gonna work, if you already trust and you already believe, they will work. I expect them to work even if I'm not touching them. If you want to shuffle the deck and put the cards down on the table for me, they will work. Okay, so Rick is saying it doesn't matter how you shuffle the deck because the cards that are supposed to come out will come out no matter what you do, which is interesting because does he believe that if you don't shuffle them, the cards still come out? I believe that a stack of random cards is in a state of quantum flux. God fucking damn it. It's in a state of quantum flux. Oh my God. Order of a shuffled deck is not fixed until the cards are turned over. A random shuffled deck can and will actually answer any question posed. Every time I use the cards, I'm reminded of the intelligence that lives and supports us all. Every reading is a validation of the universe, that the universe is not an accident. What does that even mean? Accident implies intent. Wow, Issy, how could you have so concisely describe what annoys me about this like accident narrative? We can have a conversation about quantum shit, but not today. The point is that people use quantum as a total stand-in for anything that they want to work without having to explain it. If I'm an Esper, I can summon the Great Spirit for a limit break attack. It's very non-committal, right? Because again, the answer here to the question, how do tarot readings work, is you have to believe. If you're not believing hard enough, it's not working for you. So if Rick does a reading for me and I walk away and it doesn't seem right, the problem is me. Rick is never the problem. I'm happy for Rick that he feels like he's connecting with the Great Spirit. And I'm glad that he feels like he has purpose and understanding and love and appreciation in his life. And I'm glad that he feels like the universe is benevolent and appreciates him. And that's all great. But I don't see any real explanation of how tarot is supposed to work. And there's no fixed answer here about whether it does work. The only answer is, if it doesn't work, you fucked up, which is not a real answer in my opinion.